He begs.
I'm headed back to Texas with my tail between my legs. Headed back to Texas, that's my home sweet home. Always come back to this place no matter where I roam. I struck out in love, but I guess all is fair. Cause when I'm back in Texas, I don't really care. I met a girl from Kansas working on a farm. Daddy said, leave her alone, or I might come to harm. So I asked her anyway.
There's no way and no how.
I'm headed back to Texas, back behind my plow. Once I was down in Georgia and I met a Southern belle. Thought she was a girl for me, but I could never tell. Asked her would she marry me.
There's Chevys on the moon.
I'm headed back to Texas, singing this here tune. Headed back to Texas, that's my home sweet home. Always come back to this place, no matter where I roll. I struck out in love, but I guess all is fair. When I'm back in Texas, I don't really care. Yeah, when I'm back in Texas, I don't really care.
Donkey riding, way, hey, away we go, riding on a donkey. Were you ever in Cardiff Bay, where the girls all shout hooray? Here comes Jack with 6 months' pay, riding on a donkey. Way, hey, away we go, donkey riding, way, hey, away we go, riding on a donkey. Were you ever in Timbuktu, where the girls are black and blue, and they riding on a donkey? Way, hey. Girls play honky-tonk, riding on a donkey. Way, hey, away we go, donkey riding, way, hey, away we go, riding on a donkey.
In a cavern, in a canyon, excavating for a mine, dwelt a miner, 49er, and his daughter Clementine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever, dreadful sorry Clementine. Light she was and like a fairy, and her shoes were number 9, carrying boxes without topses, sandals were for Clementine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever, dreadful sorry Clementine. Ruby lips above the water, blowing bubbles soft and fine. Alas for me, I was a swimmer, so I lost my Clementine. Oh, dreadful sorry Clementine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are
lots of fun on Grandpa's farm. We'd run like crazy chasing after chickens. We'd help Grandpa pitch hay in the barn, baking Grandma's pecan pie, fireworks on